During the plague in the time of the Salaf, do we have any narration that they stopped attending the masjid once the plague was in their locality?
We do have narrations. Yes, we do have narrations. But let's say we don't. Okay, let's say we don't. Ikhwani, first of all, the Sahaba at that time, the medicine in terms of advance-wise is not as much as we have at the moment. So if they knew that getting together will increase the illness, they will not do it. Because they've heard the Prophet ﷺ said, لا يريدن ممرض على مصح. The person who is ill should not pay a visit to the one who is what? Healthy. The one who's got ill camels should not bring them to the healthy camels. لا يريدن ممرض على مصح. So when the Mu'adh ibn Jabal, he was taken over. First one, Abu Ubaidah, he died through the plague. Then he took over Mu'adh ibn Jabal, radiallahu anhu. Okay, and they didn't know how to push away this plague. They didn't know, for example, that this plague, let's say that if you don't pray in the masjid, this plague will go less. Okay, until Amr ibn al-As, he is the one who had saved the situation. Amr al-As, he did not come out of the town. He went on top of the mountains where the air is cleaner. Okay, so he took them all the way up, and that's how they were safe. Right? So he did not say to them, go and sit down until death come to you at the bottom of the valley. Now, so if they knew the masjid will be a source of increasing the contagious disease, they will not make the salah al-jama'ah or the jumu'ah. So there's no proof for you in that. First of all, we say, عدم العلم بشيء لا يستلزم العلم بالعدم. The fact that you don't know if it happened or not happened, that's the fact that you don't know if whether they prayed it or not, it does not mean that it is binding that they did not close the masjid. So you knowing, you did not have the information that the masjid was closed, it doesn't mean that the masjids were not closed. Do you understand that? So if, for example, I'll give you an example. If I were in this masjid and I left, and somebody asked me, is Dr. Saeed is here? And because I did not see him somehow, I said to him, no, I didn't see him. Me saying, no, I didn't see him, it doesn't mean that doctor is not here. Okay? So having the no narration to say to us that the masjid were closed at the time of the plague, it doesn't mean that the masjid did not close at that time. Do you understand that? So Dr. Said could have been there. Dr. Said could have been there, but I didn't see him. The masjid would have been closed in one of the areas, but we didn't have any narration regarding this. What we have, ya ikhwan, is more important. That the Prophet ﷺ said, run away as much as you can from the one who's got leprosy. So leprosy is just like ta'un. Okay? So if, for example, this ta'un happens in a place, in the plague, in an area, don't come out of it, it doesn't mean get together to go and kill yourself in it. It doesn't mean that. It means that don't more spread it. Okay? Don't more spread it. That's what it means. So if by making jama'ah in the masjid is going to spread it more, it's not allowed to open the masjid. No.
So some